Hello. Little unboxing today. Didn't expect it. I wasn't expecting this for a while. But whatever. It's from Japan. It's a pink. This is the weirdest box I've ever seen. Oh my gosh. Oh, yay, there it is. First, it comes with a poster. I'm used to how they package their posters now.
Let me just get a better grip. It just needs a little push from the inside. Mr. Lopar, be careful. Don't worry, Manny. I know what I'm doing.
No music today because my daughter's watching Handy Manny. So, sorry.
Ooh, Mr. Lopar, are you okay? Of course, Manny. That's what I meant to do. See? Carpet roll.
They roll them up so tight. Look. It's amazing. And they always use this green paper.
Buenos dias, Billy.
Oh, I ripped it.
What can I do for you?
Oops.
We have to go to Mrs. Lopar's and fix the program ladder to her attic. It sounds like we'll have to replace the brace that holds it open. Do you think you have one?
A brace for an attic ladder.
Let's
That's a
see.
new one.
Oh no, she's not gonna have it.
I don't know. No one ever asked me for a part like that before. So I guess this will be the first one I ever sold.
Oh, it's an album release poster. This is cute. See? Really nice. Yes, this is Pink Season. This is a JP album. And I got it with the special goods that came with it. So let's take a look. This is Pink Season. Okay. Let's take a look at the special goods first, because that's what I got. Oh wow, look, this is extra big to fit around the goods. Okay, here are the special goods. It is actually a pink cape. It's weird. Let's take a look. I see, this one says Pink Season. This one says something in Japanese. This one says a pink season. And this one says all of their names. Yeah, name. Yeah. And then it has a little tape dispenser. So this is actually really cute. I'll probably use that for packaging now, believe it or not. That's really cute. I can't get it back in. Sorry, couldn't get it back in the package. So that's the special goods. And then, of course, I got the album, and I believe it comes with a card, but I'm not sure. It looks like this. I hate it when they're upside down. Pink Season. It's their first full JP. And then there's also a DVD. And this is the back.
You think of something, you always do. Just like all your wonderful inventions.
So there is a car. And it is not balmy. It is Chevron. So that's up for trade because I need balmy. That's a booklet. It's a nice group shot. Jerome. Oh, hi, Balmy. Hello? Hello? I love it when I get random phone calls.
Mommy, something's wrong with the TV.
What's wrong?
That. I can't see nothing.
Where is the TV? But yeah, so this is the album. And it's really nice. So, Chorong is up for a trade. I'm looking for Balmy. Stop! Have a good day.